Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Sayezz Pilates and Beyond, where I help you move more deeply and more joyfully into your beautifully radiant body as your home, heart open, moving energy. And friends, the incoming fitness membership just finished. So you're gonna have to wait until next year. And you can still come try class. Become a free-for-all Nexus member. You can drop into class for a suggested donation of $10. Mirror work with Gem and body brace classes like these, full 30 and 60 minutes live. So please check out the description, join us. And grab your roller. Here we go today. Hopefully it's a soft one. I know I plug the soft one a lot because it's comfortable for a tissue. Un petit peu plus. So go ahead and put that roller at the bottom tips of your shoulder blades, interlace the fingers. You can even shake them out, give them a little rub. And interlace your fingers the way that feels the most natural and then switch it. So my left finger always wants to be on top, my left thumb, and then I'm gonna switch so the right thumb is on top. And then place that nice and low at the nape of your neck and begin to yawn back and curl up. As you feel your way into this, allow your entire body to arch and your entire body to curl. Feel that opening of your heart center, your belly, and then feel that, it's almost like this protective egg that we are scooping into. Inhaling. And exhaling. And as we move deeper into our body homes, I want to say thank you so much, subscribers, for being here. Welcome new subscribers. Big bear hug to everyone. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday, and every other Monday I bring you a quick tip. You have things you want to see, you love seeing here, let me know in the comments. I will move into them for you. Check out the description, lots of goodies. Lots and lots. Oh, let's just do one more here. Your entire body yawns. Ooh, and your entire body moves into that curl. This time we're gonna add the legs. So arch back, everything seems okay. Then we curl, and there's a point where your legs can naturally, from the pelvis, jump off. And you're just gonna flick your legs wherever they wanna go. Put those feet down, find the earth again, inhale. Exhale, find that curl. There's that natural point of flow upward. Inhale. For example, if I try to do it there, I'm able to, and my back does more. So the more that I can find that scoop, the legs naturally float. Inhale, play with where that is for you. It's going to be slightly different for us all. We all live in these unique body homes of ours. And also practice really sensing and feeling. When is that moment? It's pretty deep core action here at Sayezz Pilates and Beyond, friends. And in. X. And in. Let that reflect in the breath. There's that squeeze to support. Big inhale. And reach. Once more here. And take a moment. Get your bearings, set the roller back where it needs to be, and then from here we take a spiral, a half moon. Into the upper body, spiraling around, using your eyeballs to help the spiral so you are looking well beyond your pinky toe across the room. over there. Letting the head fall back into the hands as you do so. One more each. And adding the legs into this, we're going to take some, I want to say poppy or floppy scissors. So that bottom leg really reverbs against the ground and we pop wherever that top leg wants to go. We are going to rotate around the top leg. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, around. Inhale, arch. Let the feet come back down to earth and in and exhale. In and exhale. In. And finding that natural rebound, especially of that top knee. We are lengthening and it's a moment. It's a momentary lengthening again into that, I'm going to say that word again, rebound. Four more. And then taking a moment simply to relax back, maybe lengthen the legs. You can support the neck. You can release the arms, grab a pillow. Take a moment just to let that deep core integrate. Moment finished. Gently pick your head up, roll over to your side. It's a bit of a hippie one today. Deep core hippiness. And from here, you're going to bend your top leg. You're going to bend your bottom leg. You are going to bend your top leg. And actually, I like to put my hand here so that I can, it's like I'm trying to pop my knee on my shoulder. And then I'm just going to kick that leg slightly to the back. And again, it's about this rebound, this tossing away, pulling in. And it does not matter if your knee actually touches your skin or your shoulder. Just allow your fold to be nice and free and full. Let that go, though again, we could do a whole class just on that. You're going to make the Z spring here. So the knees are slightly open beyond 90 as well as the hips. And then we're going to find our butterfly. So you can take your hand to the top hip. We're aiming to keep the hips stacked rather than woo, even though that is where we're going in a moment. But really allow that ball to roll in the socket externally, feeling the burn, which you might be feeling. And it's always it's a way, whenever we feel our body, it's a way to whoop, bring focus there, yeah? So just focus there. Focus and send your breath there. And a 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Ooh, we might need to thank the body with some vibration there, little body percussion. And this side also for me, down that side there. So take a moment to do what you need. And from here, to finish this flow, we're going to really now allow the hip to make this figure 8 and the leg follows. The leg might fly up a little higher as well. So we take the hip, we might even arch, we roll it forward like we're aiming to put that hip bone down, and then the knee follows. And then it's actually the hip that now rolls back. So here where we're keeping it stacked, leap, that's where it's going. Back, and then leg goes up, and then we allow that hip to find its natural rotation downward and in, up, and in, up. And I'm actually going to take my hand here because it allows a little more stability for my body to roll forward and back and forward and back and up and forward and back. It's really like we're massaging, aiming. You can even close your eyes for a moment, but aiming to massage the inside. It's called the acetabulum, which is the socket part of the ball and socket joint that you are really massaging. We're creating this synovial fluid. We're creating more sliding, gliding action there. And then right above that into your obliques, into your psoas, into your, the kidneys at the back. Getting all that nice deep tissue to move, helping its flow. And 2, and 1, and just reach that leg up. Ooh, and then just some nice kind of, I want to say easy, not kind of, easy, with ease. Bicycles. Make it as big and full, even if, again, that hip lifts a little bit or shifts. 4 more. Shoop. And 3, feel free to point and flex with me. 2, and 1, and take a moment. I'm gonna bring myself up. Sometimes my neck gets a little kinked there, so just notice that in your own self. Take care of it, meaning your beautiful badass body. And then come on down. Sometimes it's nice just to lay on the side that was just more, that was the mover side. So again, tuck up your bottom leg, let yourself be nice and with ease, and then float in and out, and in and out, and in and out, in and out. Slightly to the back, you might feel your tushy get unsmushy. That's great, we're engaging it. It's supposed to be like that. And in. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and done. So there. Make that Z a little bit more open in your hips and your knees than 90, and then find that clamshell. You can take your hand to your hip, not only to just notice, of course it's going to move, micro movements, rather than roll. And it's an opportunity to give yourself a moment of traction. So as we spiral, we're also lengthening, creating again that more space, suppleness, synovial fluid in the hip socket. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And again, notice this is a different side. It's going to be calling to you and speaking to you differently. Nonetheless, give it some love. And then from here, let's take that internal, so the hip goes down, hip goes back and up to the sky, leg goes wherever it wants to, and then hip goes down, and then back and up. And again, you can allow your upper body to spiral with. And get it moving in that beautiful infinite figure 8. Whoa, that was a little too far. And really feel the up, then really a nice kind of swing down, back to earth. And 2, and 1, and done. Keep the leg up, and nice big bicycles. Ooh, crack, crack, crack. Seeing what's gonna work nicer. Oh, that's nicer. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there then. Let's do 4, 3, if I get my true turnout, 2, and 1, and done. Take a moment to let the roller be as a pillow for your head. Let's bring the knees together, feet apart, so they create a little roof of support for each other. I'm actually going to take my hairs out. You might want to do the same, just to feel the heaviness, the weight of all of your body. Take a moment to roll the neck left and right. Letting your focused breath go, coming back to your everyday effortless. And then lift and lower the chin. Again, jaw, mouth might open. And then settle in a bit of stillness. Take a moment to feel what is present in your body. Any tingling, any leftover muscular effort, warmth, coolness, movement. It really is a way to send the vibration of gratitude into your body by saying, hey, I see you, I hear you, I feel you, I love you. It's so important. Take an extra moment just to be with you. And in so much gratitude do I show up each week. Do you show up each week for you? So thank you so much. Gros bisous. I will see you next time. I'm going to stay here a little bit longer. Hey.